Hello everyone, for today's video I will teach you what you can do when your iMessage photos are not showing or loading. The first thing you have to do is check if you are connected to an internet or Wi-Fi connection. You can also restart all your connections by turning on your airplane mode and then immediately turning it off. You can also check other networks because your current Wi-Fi might be unavailable or slow, which prohibits your iMessage pictures from loading. You might also want to try turning on your cellular data and check if this would make your iMessage photos load. Now, to make sure that your internet connection is available and steady, you can go to Google and search for speed test. Just run the speed test and wait for the results to load. Once you've done all these steps and the iMessage photos are still not loading, just go to settings and scroll down until you see the message icon. Press this and make sure that the iMessage option is turned on. You'll know that this is turned on when the button is color green. You can also scroll down and look at other options and explore because these will affect how your messages will look like and how you will receive your messages. After this, you can go back and go to General and check if there are any software updates. If there is one available, just click Update Now and wait for a few minutes or a few hours. And for the last option, you might want to try turning off and then turning on your phone again. This will require your passcode, so just enter it and wait for the update to finish. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.